Hey, I'm Rodley from LemTask. In today's video, we are looking at Trello and more specifically the common Trello mistakes that slow down teams. If you have ever felt your Trello board looks busy and work still isn't moving, this video is for you. This is the Trello homepage. If you haven't signed up, please get your Trello for free. You can sign up right here. The link down is in the description. If you do have an account, let's log in. This is where most Trello setups start going wrong. People have too many lists, too many things to do, too many cars, too many members, too many rules, no structure at all, just a whole lot of things piled up without no simple way of organizing it. The problem isn't Trello itself, it's what overdue does to the team. The problem is at hand that there's a lot of things that long lists, they have no organization, and it's quite difficult for the team, and it becomes quite a lot of overload. No one knows what to work on right now, which card is important. People can scan instead of acting. Like, you just scan the list, but you're not going to act. Where should you start? There are so many things that are actually wrong. You get confused. As you can see, there's gymming, there's go trading, see my mom, go get my car. There is no certain system. There is no certain format that people are following on. What started as a simple board is no longer just a simple board. It's now just overcomplicating things, making things much worse. And trust me, this is where common mistakes come from. You just write out boards randomly without actually scheduling them and actually planning them. If you took the time to actually just clear everything and just put this in arrangement order, things will get done. Teams or individuals can't get anything done with boards going to the side but have no meaningful purpose. But let me show you something. Let me show you a different board. Let me show you where mistakes are fixed. Let me show you what can you do, what can you implement that can help you to actually fix all of this. Instead of your life and your daily tasks being like this, ending up being overdue and repeated till tomorrow, this is a board whereby I want to show you this is how a simple board should look like in order to take your goals or your tasks that you've given yourself daily. If you look at this board is much more clean, professional, organized. It has a system. Inbox, today, done. That's a system already implemented before any tasks has been written inside. Look at how the order, look at how few lists are. Look at it, the activities and the tasks that have to be done. And you can see by the looks of the board, this is a person who wants to get things done. This is a person who organized. There is no mistake. There is no lot of lists. There is no mistakes that a usual person makes. This is a board that is organized. This is what Trello does best when it's used correctly. You have a system. You first by writing a card inbox today, done. Whatever you are gonna do today, you just put it into today's box. Today I'm sending in the invoice. Today I'm reviewing the team. Today I'm gonna record those videos. I have to reply to my clients. This is what I have set for myself to be done today. Faster decisions, clear ownership, and easy daily execution. Now I know what needs to be executed. I know that I have to send my invoice, and I'm done sending my invoice, and that's already done. Once I'm done, I give it a big tick to signify that I have done my task. I have done what I have told myself. With this system, I can never go wrong. This is the system that I use personally that helps me each and every day to schedule my work. So then I press it to done. I'm done recording those videos. Excuse me, we just have, and if you go into the task, you can add labels, add dates, checklist members if you want. So just to keep it here, I've done recording my videos. I've replied to my clients, and I just tick that. Already I'm going to stop here. I have completed 3 tasks today. If you're moving with the team, teams don't move fast because they track more. They move faster because they see less. So we move here because if you have a team and you have this setup, your team is going to move very fast because you have a system, you have a setup. Instead of them tracking what task, they actually execute and get things done. For contents, this is exactly why LemTask is structured differently. This is LemTask. This is the home web page of it. This is where simple daily execution is done. Everything is simple. There is no board overload. Only focuses on execution, non-maintenance, making daily execution easier with many features in hand. This is LemTask's dashboard. As we scroll down, I'll just show you. As you can see, this is LemTask's dashboard. Those are today's tasks in box upcoming right here. It also gives you a score of momentum of how things are going, today's productivity, how productive have you been versus yesterday. It also gives you a trend to see how much you are up by your consistency of completing your tasks. And you have a weekly summary whereby it tells you on how many tasks have you done and how many days have you stayed. So this is the dashboard. Of course, they have today, caption, upcoming, and they have so many features right below. If I scroll down, you just see that. As you can see, they have so many features for the sole purpose of helping daily execution happen much faster, much quicker, and much reliable. So I'm just going to show you a quick feature called Brain Dump. You go here. This has so many features. There are literally 6 ways on where you can schedule your tasks. This is where you can actually schedule a task. There are actually 6 ways. You can import your file, text, transcript also here, Google file, only audio that you want that supports MP3, WAV, MP4, etc. So I'm going to make a quick example. This is the feature that I love most using, is the start voice one, because it's much easier and much faster for me to schedule my task each and every day. I'm just going to start voice. Reply to clients today. The reason why I'm saying replying clients today is because I'm telling it that no, this task is specifically for today. Press extract. Automatically, you can see that reply to clients, this is my task. The date is already being placed for me because I told it to. Then I just add my time. Then I just add high level priorities. For me, it's either low, medium, or high. It's kind of high, because they're clients, not a client. Then, of course, you have the suggestion whereby it tells you that what is this about? Of course, communication. Then you just press accept. Then voila, you just add it right there. I'm just going to do 2 quick examples of that. As you can see, suggestion work, accept. So it gives you a catalog. As you can see, every time you give it a task, it actually gives you a catalog ranking that now this is based on this. So since I'm having a meeting with my CEO, it just tells me that it's work. So it is right. It is work, of course. So it prioritizes your catalog automatically for you based on what you tell it. One last one. And you can also, if you don't like maybe the times, you can also customize times of your own. As you can see, I'm just customizing my time of my own. Add that. And as you can see, revolve videos, creativity. So accept that. That's done. Then I go to my today's inbox. As you can see, this is so different from Trello. There is no board. This is how we approach this at LemTask. As you can see, automatically review videos, have a meeting with my CEO, reply to my clients, a client's call, inbox. So based on the times that I've given it and scheduled, it has automatically gave me a system. So what's left for me, I've already scheduled. What I've done with the voice, I've rescheduled my task. What's left for me is to attack them. When the time hits, I will be starting the task that I've given myself. Once I complete it, I just press tick. And automatically it goes to my complete, and I get a very good point for just completing my task. The goal isn't to manage work, it's to move forward. Trello works best when it stays simple. Once boards become dashboards, teams slow down. If your tool needs consistent cleanup, it's probably doing so much. So this system, as long as you keep it clean, as long as you keep it short, and it has a system that works for you, like for example, inbox today done. That's a system that will always help you to get things done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and hit the notification button below.